Ïalap sa kipat ba halor ki Jingsniew ki bala banmi na kajing penankam yu drugs, but sibenta na kajing rakhe ya ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Ka office jong katnat social welfare jong ka sarkar jala ringkan kajing trelang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong bat ka dorbars nong madarting. Nen kasngi ka khatsaw tere unaitung kala pelong da kajelang ha Evangelical Free Church of India kabran ha kasnong damtreng nong thamai. Ha kani kajelang lai don langru ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ikong Mina Kharkongor ibralong ka kongsan ha kajelang nang ta ka Special Superintendent of Police CID ikong Claudia Lingwa nang ta kinongkit kam na ka Voluntary Health Association of Meghalaya urang bas nong ka madarting uba bi khar akor kinong hikai school bat ki khna school jong ki school ba pher ki baran ha ka thai madarting nang ta ki dikhot sang bhalang ba pher kinong tre jong katnat social welfare kumjo ru na ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society nang ta na katnat pulet jong ka madarting police station bat kiwe de.
When I walk on the streets, I often see students in uniforms, smoking, and they do not feel shy about it also. In our time, maybe when we were students, we used to fear, or our batches of boys and girls would never dare smoke in the road in the uniform. But now students are doing it openly. So if you have such friends, tell them that this is not a good behavior to be taken into account. You have to respect not only your parents or your teachers in school. There are many people on the streets who are seniors, who are elders, who do not like such actions. Try to inculcate good habits into your system. You are here for your studies. Everyone is there to support you, your parents, your teachers in school. Then in the community level, see now, you are having such programs now. In our time, we never had such programs because we never knew about such menaces in the society. But this is coming up, and this is like, a warning to all the students to be strong. You have to respect yourself first. Then only you can respect others in your society. Then people will respect you. Do not judge anyone. Don't be judgmental in your attitude towards anyone, and if you have a problem, you are weak, speak out.